What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add music to YouTube Shorts on your PC. To start, open YouTube Studio and navigate to the Shorts video you want to add music to. Once you've selected your video, click on the pencil icon labeled Details. This will open up the Details page for your YouTube Short. Next, look at the left-hand side and click on Editor. In your editor, you will see the video track of your YouTube Short. To add music, click on the Audio section. Here, you'll see a plus icon labeled Add Audio. Click on this icon to access the YouTube audio library. From the YouTube audio library, you can choose any music track you like. Select a track from the list and click on Add. The chosen music track will be added to your video. Keep in mind that when you add music to YouTube's editor, the music might overpower any spoken words in your video. This method works best for shorts without spoken words. If your short has dialogue or narration, consider using video editing software like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.